Hi, I'm Lee in Colorado. I joined the Clean Food Crush 30-day challenge in September of 2021, and in a 2-month period I lost 7 pounds. But because I have a background in personal fitness, I checked my percent body fat along the way and found that I went from 29% body fat to 22% body fat. That's a loss of 14 pounds of fat, all from eating the recipe choices available in the Clean Food Crush program. I think that the thing that I appreciated most is the vast amount of resources, the articles about nutrition that were available, that were published regularly. It helped me create menus so I could be successful. It helped me create recipes or follow recipes and create menus from those recipes, so I could be successful in this program. And I think I'm pleased that I made the decision to be a part of this Clean Food Crush 30-day challenge.